Hey everyone! Are you wondering what the best plant based foods are to eat before and after exercise? Whether you're just getting started on a plant based diet or you've been at it for a while, what you eat around your workouts can make a huge difference in your energy, in your performance, and your recovery. See, when you exercise, your body needs energy and you need it quickly. So, eating the right foods before you start helps you maintain stamina, supports your muscle health, and keeps your energy up throughout your workout. So, today we'll cover exactly what to eat before and after exercise. This is backed by science to help you get the most out of your workouts. All right, first things first, why does pre-workout nutrition even matter? See, when you exercise, your body needs energy and you need it quickly. So eating the right foods before you start helps you maintain stamina, supports your muscle health, and keeps your energy up throughout your workout. And think of it this way. If you were going on a long drive, you'd want to start with a full tank of gas, right? Your body is no different. For energy, it relies on carbohydrates. Those are your quick burning fuel, and for muscle support, a little bit of protein goes a long way. Now, here are some easy plant-based options that work well before a workout. Number one, banana with a little almond butter. This is a quick, easy, digestible snack packed with natural sugars, potassium, and some healthy fats. Number two, oatmeal with berries. Oats give you complex carbs for steady energy, while the berries provide antioxidants that help reduce muscle soreness and acute inflammation from exercise. Number three, smoothie with fruit, spinach, and scoop of plant-based protein. This is light, easy to digest, and packed with nutrients. Get that? So, what's your go-to snack before working out? Or is this a new concept for you? Comment down below. All right, now let's dive into a little deeper. Why carbohydrates and protein? Well, carbohydrates give you glucose, which your muscle uses for energy. And they're especially important for endurance, for like running, cycling, or even a long workout at the gym. Meanwhile, your protein before a workout can help prevent muscle breakdown. It's a win-win. Glucose, protein. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that bananas are a natural source of glucose? And this is why they're a fantastic pre-workout snack. They provide a quick energy boost without weighing you down. And mind you, so easy, accessible, easy and convenient to eat, right? And doesn't need any preparation, washing or cutting whatsoever. So I really like banana. So if this helped clear up why pre-workout nutrition is essential, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you're planning to eat before your next workout. Now let's talk about the post-workout or after-workout nutrition. This is where recovery happens because when you exercise, you're breaking down some muscle fibers which need protein to repair and grow. Plus, you need carbohydrates again to replenish glycogen stores in the muscle, the energy your muscle use during your workout. Aim to eat within 30 to 60 minutes after you've done your exercise. Again, 30 to 60 minutes after you're done exercising. This is known as the anabolic window, when your body is primed to absorb nutrients most effectively after the workout. And here, get ready, are some of the great plant-based options for post-workout or after workout. Number one, Sweet potato with black beans. Sweet potatoes provide carbohydrates, and black beans are fantastic plant protein source. Number 2, quinoa salad with veggies and tofu. Quinoa is actually a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect for muscle repair. Number 3, one of my favorites, a smoothie. Smoothie with berries and a banana topped with chia seeds. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, helping reduce inflammation, while protein from chia seeds supports muscle recovery. Now, another key that you should not forget is hydration. Hydration. Staying hydrated before, during, and after exercise is essential, especially if you're sweating. Dehydration can affect muscle function, decrease endurance, and even slow down recovery. So keep a water bottle handy, okay? And here's a little tip. If you're going on a long or intense workout, consider adding electrolytes. Something like coconut water or just a pinch of salt in your water can help you replenish lost minerals. I have a question. How much water do you usually drink before or after workouts? My suggestion is to try to aim for at least 16 to 20 ounces before exercise or another 16 ounces after. Now you might be thinking, but isn't it hard to get enough protein on a plant-based diet? Because that's a common myth. Protein deficiency on a plant-based diet. That's wrong information. It's a myth. The fact is, there are plenty of great plant-based sources of protein that provide all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. Foods like lentils, chickpea, tofu, tempeh, quinoa are excellent choices. In fact, research shows that plant-based protein can be just as effective as animal protein for building and muscle repair without cholesterol, without the fats, and without causing inflammation in the body. Plant protein is the way to go. As long as you're eating a variety of plant sources, you'll never go protein deficient. So long as you're not depriving the volume and you're eating till you are decently satiated, you're never going to go protein deficient. So no need to worry about protein deficiency. Let's put that to rest because that's a myth. You can absolutely thrive on a plant-based diet even with an active lifestyle. So to quickly recap, before your workout, go for easily digestible carbs and a small amount of protein for energy and muscle support. Think of bananas, oatmeal, or a smoothie. And then after a workout, focus on carbohydrates and protein to refuel and rebuild. Things like sweet potatoes with beans or a quinoa and tofu salad are fantastic options. Still, smoothie can be included in the after workout too. Stay hydrated, my friends, and for longer workouts, consider electrolytes too. With the right foods, you're fueling your body in a way that not only helps you perform better, but also support your recovery and overall health. A plant-based diet can give you all the nutrients you need to stay hydrated, active, energized, and strong. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some practical ideas on what to eat around your workouts. If you're interested in more plant-based nutrition tips for an active lifestyle, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notification and let me know in the comments if there's any specific topic you'd love to learn more about. Here's to eating well, staying strong, and reaching those fitness goals. And plant-based lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I've given you some practical ideas on what to eat around your workouts. This is again Dr. Edlita James, your lifestyle changer, MD, and health coach. Till next week for another interesting topic. Bye for now.